In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Spaces in Wrike. To follow along, go ahead and open Wrike in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace. The first place we're going to focus on is your inbox. This is where updates, notifications, and incoming work will appear, and it's also where you can quickly filter what you see based on different spaces. Look towards the top area of your workspace and locate your inbox. Click to open it if it's not already active. Inside the inbox view, you'll see a control or drop-down related to Spaces. This is usually near the top of the panel and allows you to change how your inbox items are filtered. Click on that highlighted area so we can adjust which spaces you're looking at. From the drop-down that appears, choose the option called Only Selected Space. This lets you narrow your view so your inbox only shows items from a specific space, instead of mixing everything together. This is especially helpful if you're juggling multiple teams or projects and want to stay focused on one at a time. Now click again on that same highlighted dropdown so we can change the filter back and explore all the spaces you have. This time, select All My Spaces. With this option, your inbox will include work from every space you belong to, giving you a complete picture of everything that's relevant to you. Once you've set that up, you'll see a list of your spaces, usually on the left-hand side. Let's walk through a few that are common. First, click on the personal space. This is typically where you keep tasks and projects that are just for you, personal reminders, planning, or anything that doesn't need to be shared with a team. It's a great place for organizing your own workload. Next, click on the marketing team space. This is an example of a team or department space where all the related projects, tasks, and folders for that group live together. Opening this space shows you its specific structure and helps you stay within that team's context. Now, click on the Shared with Me section. This area gathers items that others have shared directly with you, even if they don't sit inside your main spaces. It's a useful way to quickly find work that's been handed off or assigned to you. Then, click on Blueprints. This space is often used to store templates or standard project structures that you can reuse. Opening Blueprints lets you see those reusable frameworks so you can quickly spin up consistent projects. Finally, click on the highlighted control once more to review or adjust your space view as needed. By using these space filters and sections, you can keep your Wrike workspace organized, stay focused on the right work at the right time, and move more confidently between personal tasks, team projects, shared items, and templates.